guys, welcome back to my channel for my April Stitch Fix unboxing. I know that I just did one for March, but because I just restarted getting them again, I wanted my old Stylist back, so I requested the first available box that I could get after my last box. So that's why these two are really close together. I'm gonna only be getting them once a month now instead of every 3 weeks like I was getting. So that's why, if you're wondering, like, you just did one, that's why. So I did get Britt Hanlon this time. I'm so excited. So I'm not even worried about the box, honestly, because she just knows me really well. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay. This is spring, although I do see navy with flowers, but these flowers actually have color on them. They have like purples and yellows, so that's a little bit better than the navy with like the tan flowers from before. Okay, I'm so excited now. Okay, this first shirt, I think I have one like this in maternity, so obviously I'm not pregnant anymore, but that shirt's comfortable. This is more of like, it has like a gray undertone type of blue, and I've seen this on the Pinterest boards for Stitch Fix in their new spring stuff. This color is like one of the ones. Is this pockets? Oh no, it's just a tack on the inside. I almost got really excited. So the back detail looks like this. It just has that nice cross detail. So it's nice that it's a basic kind of top, which you guys know that I love, with a little bit of spice on the back. Oh, and this is a dress. Okay, here we go. So this is a yellow and white dress, or yellow and kind of a cream dress. And on my last video, this light is like too light. There we go. On my last video, one of you guys told me that mustard is actually in for spring, so I didn't know that on the last box. But this has a sleeve detail, so it looks like almost a cold shoulder type of dress with a tie. I'm not sure that I'm gonna love this because I've never had like a cold shoulder type dress, but I'm excited to try it on because it's a new style for me. Okay, Brittany. This is another dress, and I'm definitely more fine with this navy. It's a little bit of an actual brighter blue than navy, and it has these spring flowers on it, purples and yellows and brighter greens. So this definitely is more springy, and it has pockets. I just noticed that it has pockets, and this is a very, very flattering neckline, and it has the bigger open keyhole in the back. So I'm really excited about this one. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is an off-the-shoulder top. I'm probably gonna keep this. I can tell you guys that right now. It's a size medium, and it's the olive. Hello. I love this color, you guys. I love this color. I like this color any time of year, but especially in the springtime. And the flowers on here, perfect for spring. And then it also has this tie detail here at the end. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I love this. And she did put a pair of white shorts in there. I said I wanted a pair of white shorts, I think. So I'm excited to try these on. They do look a little bit big, but I still have postpartum weight, so they probably will fit perfectly. But they're a really good length. I can tell I don't want like booty shorts, you know, since I'm a mom, and I don't have the legs for it anymore. But I'm excited to try these as well. Okay, let's go ahead and try these on. All right, you guys, I've put on the pink shirt, and I love this. I just have a regular bra on with the straps pulled down, so I'd have a strapless bra on, but I love the sleeves, and I love the color. I love the flowers. It would even look good, I think, like, just situate it here. It would look good like this too if you are more of like a modest and don't want to show your shoulders off, because it hits you at a really good spot still. So I love this shirt. And I have on the white shorts too, but my legs are not spray tanned, so let's not judge. But here are the white shorts. I just threw on some my Steve Madden platforms because they're nude and they'll match everything. So like I said, here's the white shorts. They're a little bit tight in the butt area, but and like up here it's a little bit tight, but I'm still losing weight from postpartum. So I might keep these. I don't know. I almost feel like they look a little bit too long right here. I'm not sure if I like the length. I would rather it be a little bit shorter maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm going to post this before I have to send this back. But definitely the shirt I'm going to keep because I love the way it looks. I love the, there we go, off the shoulder look right here. And yeah, I'm definitely going to keep this one. Okay, here's the dress. This is the navy dress. I do have on a nude bra, so like obviously these straps wouldn't be there. And yeah, I only spray tan like the front of my body. Like it's so funny because when it's warm outside, I do my whole body, but it's been cold, so I only do like the front top. So that's all you see of me anyway. But yeah, I need to start spray tanning everything now because the weather's getting warmer. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. But I love this dress, you guys. I really like it. I think I'm going to keep it. I love this up here. It's really modest up here. And I love how it hits like the arm right there. And the length is perfect. It hits right here. So if I'm bending over to pick up kids or whatever, it's perfect. And then my white back, it's so funny. The keyhole here looks good. My bra strap starts right here. So I can still wear a normal strapless bra and you won't be able to see the bra strap because it's hard sometimes with dresses like this. You see bra straps everywhere, but you can wear just a strapless bra and it's going to be fine. And this is definitely more spring to me than the last navy thing that I had. So definitely I'm going to keep this one as well. Okay, this one is going to be a no from me. Like Simon always says. I love the material. This material and the length, I think, is fantastic. I love the length of this. I don't love the sleeves. If they were shorter, I would love it. I don't love this length. I think it looks very awkward on me. Maybe if there wasn't the cold shoulder and the sleeves were this long, it'd be fine. Like even like this. But I don't like the sleeves like this. It just kind of looks a little strange in my opinion. But otherwise the material on this is fantastic. It's nice and stretchy. It doesn't cling on to like anything like crazy. And the color's fine. I just am not a fan of these sleeves. So this one is going to be a no from me. Unless it's cheaper to buy what I like already, I'm definitely going to send this back. Alright you guys, here's the last shirt. This is going to be a no from me too because it hits me really strange. Like these are higher waisted pants as you can see, and it kind of hits me like really odd. Like my hip bones are right here, so I feel like it's more of a crop style top and it makes me look funny. I think it just cuts me at a not very flattering angle, and these are the pants that I got in my last fix that I am obsessed with. I love them. They're so comfortable. And I love the back detail of this shirt. Like honestly, I love this in the back. I love, there we go, the way that it looks. But it's just the length of the shirt. It just, I don't know. And it kind of falls like more to this side. And I can't figure out, it almost is like a cotton shirt that you buy and then you wash it and then it kind of shrinks up. That's what it feels like. And it sucks because I like this color and I love the material so much. But I can't do it. Like it kind of looks strange. Like maybe tying it up. No, that doesn't help. Just kidding. So this is going to be a no for me too. So I'm really just not feeling this one. Okay, I want to finish the video in here because they're still asleep and it's been like the longest nap of their life. So we're going to go ahead and go over prices really quick. Okay, so if I bought everything here, my buy 5 discount would be $59.25 off, which will leave my order total at $177.75 if I bought all 5. So I'll keep that in mind. This one is a no for me. My mom probably would look really good in it. And this one is $48. It's a good price for a dress, but I just don't like it. Ugh. The sleeves are what gets me. I just don't like that one. And then this blue top, definitely, I don't like this one either. And this one is $39. So those two are definite no's for me. And then the shorts, I'm kind of iffy on. Like I'm not sure if I like them. And they're $58. So I don't know, that's kind of expensive for me to not know if I like them. I don't know. I'm not sure. But this I definitely will keep 100%. It is $44. I love this. And then this shirt right here is $48. I love that. So let me see what's going to be cheaper for me. So even if I did keep these three, it would still be cheaper to send those back. I could spend an extra $27 and keep them. I just don't like them. And if my mom could wear both of them, I probably would just keep it and give her those two. But she won't be able to wear that top because of the way it crops. So unfortunately, I'm not going to keep it. I'm still back and forth on the shorts, so I want you guys to tell me what you think. I just think it would look better if my legs were tanned. I will never film a Stitch Fix haul again when my legs are not tanned, but I only tan my full body when it's warm out, and now's the time, I think, because that is not cute. But let me know what you guys think about the shorts. Otherwise, these are a definite keep for me. Funny because these are the most spring thing in the box, and I love both of them. So Brittany really hit it out of the park with this one. I see what she was trying to do with the other ones, and she did give me shorts because I asked for white shorts. But otherwise, I'm so happy with this fix. And let me know about the shorts because I will still have this whenever I post it, because I'm posting it like here tomorrow morning. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you want to try Stitch Fix, like always, link in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time with the tan full body. Bye.